Hello, I'm gonna be showing you how you can chat with someone on Reddit, or how you can DM someone on Reddit. Now let's say that you are like reading the comments and there is a comment and you want to contact this person, you want to chat with them. You can just click on their username here, as you can see. Click on it, and after that you will be able to see their karma level, the comment karma, as you can see, and here you will be able to see start chat. Now if you just click on the username like this, you will be able to see here start chat. If you click on it, you will be able to send them whatever message, but there are some restrictions, by the way. Okay, I will mention that in a few seconds. Now like I said, you just need to go find the person that you want to DM. For example, this guy, for example, click on start chat. You can also see the karma level here. It's 12, and he already he has like 54 comment karma. So, and also you can see the interest here: entrepreneurship, online sports, as you can see. So one thing you need to know is, if you are a new user, like you may have some restrictions from like making chat, like from chatting with someone on Reddit, and also following other users for about a week. So this is only temporarily, okay, temporary. So you just need to wait a week and you will be able to chat with everyone, and also like follow everyone as you want. Now to follow someone, you just need to click on the username, click on follow, and you will be able to follow them. Okay, it's very simple, and I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and drop a like, and see you in the next tutorial.